So much umami, so meaty. Hi, my name is Christina and I'm a junior recipe developer at HelloFresh, and this is one of my HelloFresh favorites. Pho-style beef noodle soup with mushrooms, bok choy, napa cabbage, cilantro, lime, and sriracha. Let's make it. Mushrooms come from the ground, they're not clean. Just give it a nice thin slice. We need 8 ounces of mushrooms. So we'll get started with our beef. Patting our beef dry with paper towel, salt, pepper, and then a little bit of garlic powder. I'll actually put most of the seasoning on one side and then just kind of toss it all in there. We do a large drizzle of oil so that the garlic doesn't burn. There we go, and that's that beautiful sound we like to hear. That's how we know the Maillard reaction is happening. We'll get that beautiful color on the bottom. When you're cooking steak, you want it to really sit and have as much surface time with the pan. Don't touch the pan. So with the bavette steak, it takes 4 to 7 minutes per side. After the steak is cooked, we're just gonna take it out of the pan here and let it rest on a cutting board until we're ready to use it. We're gonna start our soup. Drizzle of oil, mushrooms, a little salt and pepper. Just gonna give it a nice little stir. The water is coming out of the mushrooms beautifully. Scallion wood, fragrant ginger. We're just gonna let this cook for like 30 seconds. Go ahead and add our water. We have our ramen stock, beef stock concentrate, 2 pho stock concentrates. We're just pumping flavor into it. A little mixy, and we're gonna let it go for like 2 minutes or so. We're gonna add our bok choy and napa cabbage just until it starts to wilt. In the meantime, let's slice our steak. So we're gonna slice it against the grain. And it's okay if it's not fully cooked because it's going back into the soup to keep cooking. Beautiful, juicy, delicious. So we're gonna add the steak to the pot here. And let these flavors meld, let the steak finish cooking. Oh my gosh, how could we forget the noodles? Some nice squeeze of lime. It smells like it's edible. Cilantro, you can be as precious with it as you like. Some green onions, a little bit of sriracha, squeeze of lime, and the main event, hoisin sauce. And this is our pho-style beef noodle soup.